Security forces are continuing to recover arms and ammunition from multiple locations in the state. According to a police report, search operation was conducted yesterday in suspected areas of Thangjing Hill, located behind Taijang village in Churachandpur district. Two 303 rifle with 2 magazines, one 303 sniper rifle, 2.22 semi-auto rifle with 2 magazines, 1 country-made mortar pumpy, 4 live rounds of pumpy, 30 live rounds, 2 MK4 tear smoke grenades, and 5-meter Cortex and 1 10-meter safety fuse were recovered. In another search operation conducted at parts of the hills nearby Tentha Tuaband in Thoubal district, security forces recovered 1 7.62 mm sniper rifle, 5 Burman-made 9 mm pistol with magazine, 5 numbers of 36 high explosive hand grenades, 2 numbers of 2-inch mortar shells, 2 tube launchers, 6 Stardyne 90 explosives, 4 electronic detonators, 20 live rounds, 2 SR tear smoke shells, 1 gas gun shell, 1 LR tear smoke, 2 16mm mini flare cartridge, and 1 Baofeng radio set. The recovered items have been handed over to police station concerned for further investigation.